All right, home equity. Why do people even use equity in their home? Like, I don't understand. Okay, so the reasons why would be to update their home, renovate, whether it be using the equity money to either upgrade their kitchen, bathroom, or maybe adding on, in addition to their home, something, whatever the case may be. We all have different reasons for things. So what's going to make you happy in your lifestyle, makes sense. And if you can afford the payments and the numbers make sense, first and foremost, go for it. So other reasons would be debt consolidation. Now with this, you would be cutting down on a ton of interest in the long run, which is always good. I always am down for saving money every month, okay? Life events. So say if you have a daughter or son that needs money, whether it be like a vehicle, wedding, house payment, down payment, or maybe even you yourself, you want a second home or investment home, or maybe you're building a business, you're building a car, anything you really need the money for is going to help. So you can use that equity for that stuff too. Obviously, first and foremost, those numbers have to make sense with you and your family. That's always going to be, what I'm going to base it off of too, and just make sure that you're comfortable with all the decision making at the end of the day. Some people want a safety cushion, so home equity lines help on this, but also you can always take a chunk of money and stash it away in your savings just to have a safety cushion there, have your equity physically sitting in your bank account. And then maybe a lifestyle, like say if your dream vacation, you've always wanted to go on this dream vacation with your significant other, and you don't want to get too old before you do it, so you do it. I had an elder couple that did do that, and it turns out the wife passed away a year and a half later. But they didn't regret that decision, so that's great. So you have to look at like your, is this going to be like a short-lived? If not, are you okay with it, the payment? So some like really cautious considerations you're going to want to take is looking at your appraisal risk, seeing where that's at, looking at taxes and insurance. They may rise as your loan amount rises or you take more equity out. When are you going to move again? Like, is this going to be really worth it for you? Check things out. So I have more tools out on my YouTube. I'm going to be refining content here so that way can help you make informed financial decisions on your own. All right, bye.